Hey everyone, welcome back to Intel Minds. Today we're diving into the world of CSS animations to create a simple yet eye-catching landing page. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial is for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutty.
Setting up the HTML structure. First, let's set up the basic structure of our landing page. We'll have a header, a main content section, and a call to action button. Keep it simple for now, as we'll focus on the animations. Now, link your CSS file to your HTML document. This is where we'll define our animations using keyframes. Start with a basic entry animation. Using up-over keyframes, we'll define animation steps like from and to make our elements smoothly appear on the page. Apply this animation to the header and main content. For a more interactive experience, let's add a hover animation to our call to action button. Using CSS transitions, we can make the button smoothly change its color and scale when hovered over. Preview your landing page in the browser and make any necessary adjustments. Tweak the timing and easing of your animations to achieve the desired effect. Don't forget, simplicity often leads to elegance.
Congratulations! In just 2 minutes, you've learned the basics of CSS animations and created a stylish landing page. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other web development topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.